Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compute the derivative of this radical function using the limit definition of derivative. Let's get started. So the derivative of a function f of x is given by this limit here, limit as h approaches 0 of the difference quotient f of x plus h minus f of x all over h as h approaches 0. And using the definition of the given function, we'll get here limit as h approaches 0 of the cube root of 3 times the input x, but our input here is x plus h. So 3 times the quantity x plus h, and then minus f of x, so that is just a cube root of 3x, and then all over h. And the strategy here when computing limit of a fraction where the numerator has a radical is to rationalize that numerator. So removing the radical in the numerator. So how do we get rid of these cube roots in the numerator? Recall that in algebra, we have the special product a minus b times the quantity a squared plus ab, and then plus b squared equal to a cubed minus b cubed. So if we think of this difference as a minus b, if we multiply it by this expression here, we'll get difference of two cubes. So we're going to cube this expression. So we'll get rid of this cube root here, and we're going to cube this radical expression as well. So we'll be able to get rid of these two cube roots. So therefore, the strategy here is to multiply this numerator and denominator by, so square the first term, so that is a squared, and the square of the first term is just cube root of, you have there 9 times x plus h quantity squared, and then plus ab, and then ab is just this expression times this one, which is equal to plus cube root of 3 times 3, so that is 9 times x, and then times x plus h, and then plus b squared, which is the square of this one. And the square of that one is just equal to cube root of, you have 9x squared. And we have to multiply the denominator by the same expression. So we have to multiply this denominator by the same expression, this one. And multiplying these two fractions, we'll get here limit as x approaches 0 of, so this product here will give us a cube minus b cube. It's the cube of this minus the cube of this one. So we'll get here 3 times x plus h. So just get rid of the cube root, and then minus 3x. And then all over. So you have here the h, and then times again that denominator, so which is equal to this one. So this quantity here. And if you look at our numerator, we can simplify it to, in this case, 3x plus 3h minus 3x. We only get 3h. And there is a common factor h in the numerator and in the denominator. So we can cancel that one, cancel, cancel. So replace them by 1. Now, as h approaches 0, so this goes to 0 and this goes to 0. Therefore, the limit is equal to 3 over the cube root of 9 times x plus 0 squared, so that is 9x squared, and then plus cube root of 9x times x plus 0. So again, that is also square root of 9x squared, and then plus cube root of 9x squared, which is equal to 3 over 3 times the cube root of 9x squared, which is equal to 1 over cube root of 9x squared. And this is the derivative of the function f of x equal to cube root of 3x.